Okay, so it's always in the freaking way. Pulled out the bench. Now what I want to do is gut all of this crap out. Look at this crap. Oh boy, oh great, because let's just tape everything to the freaking electrical wiring. Now won't you? Ow. Wouldn't be surprised if that's the reason why. Oh, look at all this water and crap. Cut this out somehow. I should probably get some freaking scissors or something. Look at this crappy way of doing it.
No, Bella.
Talk about being lazy. And, you know, look at that. Cut wire, frayed wire. Now, last time we were dealing with problems with Olivia, and I was complaining about Romanian spaghetti. Well, here's New York spaghetti, because you know, crappy maintenance knows no boundaries. That's pure globalism right there. Everybody can do crappy work, and I'm being lazy right now instead of just getting scissors. Hoping I'm not cutting any wires. Now this is some sort of house material, like, you know, asphalt kind of cardboard or whatever. Now my question is, where is this water coming from? What a shit job. I ain't gonna lie, this truck is not the best thing I ever bought. But at the time, it was the only thing available, so I needed to move. What the fuck? God damn! I'm ripping out sheet metal now. What a crap job. Seriously. Oh look, a fucking battery. This freaking tar. And the problem is, they put this metal right on top of the freaking cables. Oh, for the love of Christ, this is going to be a nightmare. Look where they come out. The cables. God damn. Now, while I do some of this stuff, some of you asked why I use BitChute, and now we all know that there's political censorship.
Ooh, shut up.
However, that's not the main reason. Main reason is competition and monopolies. You have a company like YouTube who really wants to become like Netflix, and they want to minimize the available advertising spots. So why have a channel like mine competing with, oh, I don't know, big car channels, making less money? So they censor, even in their own terms of service. They say that they don't count all the views. That's right. The views that you give me by watching something that you enjoy don't count. Anyways, now BitChute is fairly small channel. I mean, small network. It's, last I checked, had 2 employees. And I can't tell you what the overall viewership, how many subscribe members total it has, but it's small still. And what I get from BitChute is actual graphs that show me what channels you like, which episodes you like most. Do you hear that? This is some strong stuff. But this also keeps water underneath it. Look at that. Frickin' A. Talk about a tough job. Sitting with my butt in the water. Oh, for the love of God. What the hell? Ow. This is some tough ass shit. What a crappy job. I hate. There's a saying in Romanian. Doing something for, I think, your salvation. As in, it's pointless doing it. I think, you know. And this is that kind of work. Oh, for the love of God. Oh my God. Frickin' A. Look at all this watering crap. Oh, and my back is not happy. This is very dangerous, actually, because it breaks away fast. I could fall and break my back even more. Unbelievable, man. Freaking believable. Look at this. Oh, doy. Come on, cable. That's the antenna. Oh boy. Freaking. Hey. Oh shit. Doing. Mother of God, this stupid helmet is pissing me off. More shit. Hold on. Somewhat decent from the top. That's only because of this. They just put sheet metal right on top of the rotted out metal. Okay. That may be it for now. Until I figure out what's next. Honestly, I'd like for this thing to dry out more. Let's just put inventory tools back. Now in the meantime, the radiator it may just be the little veins that are rusted out because it doesn't seem to be leaking. Clean it out, use the vinegar trick. Clean the rust off as much as I can, get this crap off. Look at that. Rust reform it and call it good. But that will be another time. This is what we call Romanian chili. Lamb and beef.
Sunt bună, nu sunt nașpetă.